Get excited about the 2015 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.